children, till I was explaining chapter 2 Yvonne's story, and till page number 13 I have explained, and I have told you that gorilla's baby ride on their mother's back most of the time, and he has to learn the skill, some skills also, and that's why he has to go further from his mother's safety, and he learned lots of skill like to build a nest by weaving the branches tightly so that they may not fall apart, and to thump his chest loudly by cupping the palms of his hands while thumping, and to move from trees to trees without letting go, and to be kind, strong, and loyal, because he to be loyal to his family, because he lived with his family in his natural habitat and rainforest. Okay, till here I have explained, students. Now start page number 14. You do it all over again. It was for a while a perfect life. Now Mud is saying that you can do it all over again and again, and for him it was a perfect life. For Mud, it was a perfect life, because he loved to go search for food, jump from tree to trees, make nest for himself, and whatever he used to do, and to play with tag, all this thing, he loved to do all these things. That's why he's saying that it was a perfect life. But next, what happened? The end. One day, a still day, when the hot air hummed, the humans came. But what happened one day, students? The hot air hummed means, student, the day was so still and quiet that you could hear the air as it went past. Means it was a very quiet day. It was very quiet that you can hear the voice of the air also. You can feel the air also. That on that day, what happened? The human came. Wine. After they captured my sister and me, they put us in a cramped, dark crate. On that day, what happened? The humans came and they captured Mud and his sister Tag, and they put them in cramped. Cramped means, students, small and crowded, crowded with not much room to move. They put them in a cramped, dark crate. Crate means a large wooden container for transporting something. They captured them and they put them in a crate and in a cramp. They put them firstly in a crate, in a large wooden container, in a box, we can say wooden box, and after that they kept them into a room that there was not too much space. Means human came and captured them. Somehow I knew that in order to live, I had to let my old life die, but my sister could not let go of it. She kept thinking about our home all the time till she felt very sick. Now Mud is saying that on that time he understood that he had to forget his old life, the life which he spent with his family members in the forest. He has to forget. If he have to survive, then he has to forget all these things. But his sister could not be able, and she could not let it go all this thing. That's why she started to thinking all this thing all the time. That's why she fall very sick. As when human being trapped him and his sister Tag and carried them away in a cramped crate, then Yvonne somehow felt he had to forget his old way of life to survive. But Tag missed home and became very ill. The temporary human. It was Mac who opened that crate, Mac who took me, and Mac who raised me like a human baby. I drank from a bottle, I slept in human beds, sat in human chairs, listened while human words swarmed around me like angry bees. Now he is saying that the person who has opened that crate, who was a Mac, means the person who has opened that wooden box was a Mac, and Max took him and he raised him like a human baby. Okay, and now Mud is drank in a bottle, in a bottle like a human babies, and he slept in beds and sat in a chairs and listened human words. Swam means a student crowded. It feels when he heard the words of humans, it feels that it's the like the bees are buzzing. It feels that he can't understand the language of the humans, and he felt that the bees are buzzing around him like the angry bees. Means students, he lived in Mac's house as a human baby, and drinking milk from a bottle, and sleeping on beds, and sitting on a chairs like a human baby. But he could not understand the language of the human language. It sounded like the buzzing of bees, because everything he was doing was different from the things he used to do as a gorilla, and he realized that he was not doing what humans do. Mac's wife Helen was quick to laugh but quick to anger too, especially when I broke something, which was often. Students, the wife of Mac, whose name was Helen, she was very quick to laugh, but she was very quick to angry also, and she becomes very angry when Mud broke anything from her house. When he broke anything, then Helen became very angry. I broke the blender when I squeezed 3 tubes of toothpaste and I bought a bottle of glue into it. I broke my toes attempting to swing from a lamp fixture on the ceiling. I broke 46 glasses. Well, it turns out there are many ways to break a glass. And now Mud is telling that what he has broke. He has broke blender when he tries to squeeze 3 tubes of toothpaste and a bottle of glue into it. He tries to squeeze 3 tubes of toothpaste and a bottle of glue in the blender, and he broke that blender. And he broke his toes also, not the things from the Helen's house. He broke his toes also. And why? Because he was trying to swing from a lamp fixer on the ceiling. He was trying to swing from a lamp fixer on the ceiling, and he broke his toes. And he broke us for 60 glasses, 46 glasses also, and it turns out there are many ways to break a glass. He turned 46 glasses, but he didn't break it in the same way. He broke in many different ways. That's why he's saying that he come to know that there are many different ways to break a glass. And every weekend, Mac and Helen drove me to a restaurant where they ordered something for me. I went to baseball games, to the grocery store, to the movie theater. Now he is saying that every weekend Mac and Helen took him to the restaurant, and where they ordered something for him also. Okay, means that Mac and Helen treat him as a baby of human, and he feels that he was the baby of human, because what the babies of human used to do or how to live, the same thing the gorilla is not doing, the Mud is doing. And they treat them, the Mac and Helen treat them as the baby or the human baby. And he also went for the baseball game also, and grocery stores, and even the movie theater. They took Helen, and Mac and Helen took him to the movie theater also. Now we can say he is spending the life as the human, the babies or human. Next page, student, page number 15. Even to the circus They did not have a gorilla. I rode a little motorbike and blew out candles on a birthday cake. And even they took him to the circus also. And they did not have a gorilla. And I rode a little motorbike, and even he rode a little motorbike as the human baby used to do, as the human baby do, and he rode a little motorbike and even blew the candles also on his birthday, and he blew the candles on the birthday cake. Means as we celebrate our birthday and we blew the candles, in the same way the mud is also doing, the gorilla is also doing the same thing. Next, my life as a human was an exciting one, although my parents would not have approved. Now he is saying that my life as a human. Why he was saying as a human? Because all the things he used to do as the human babies do, as the human do, means like he was sleeping in a bed, sitting in a chair, go for a movie in the theater, and went in a restaurant. Okay, all the things as the humans do, he is also doing. That's why he is saying that my life as a human was exciting. It's exciting, although my parents would have not approved. Approved means a student thought of something as good. Yvonne's life as a humans, but the life of their father was not approved. And we can say his parents had spent their life in the forest, where they search for their own food and live independently. They would not have approved of a gorilla depending on someone else for food and shelter all his life. Now the mud is depending on the Helen and the Meg. Okay, but now their family is not. They were doing their work independently and they lived very freely, but now mud has to depend on them. Next student, hunger. In my new life as a human, I was well taken care of. At night, lying alone in my pajamas, I longed for the cheerful grunts of a play fight and the easy safety of my nearby troop. Longed means students desire. Longed for means desire. Okay. Now he is saying that as a human I was well taken care of. Means Helen and Meg has well taken care of me, but at night, lying alone in my pajamas, as a human he used to wear pajama. Then I long for, means I desire for the cheerful grunts of the play fight and the easy safety. Easy safety means here Yvonne is talking about the feeling of being loved and protected by his troop, of my nearby troops. Means he was sleeping, but he was thinking, he was desiring, he was missing all the things which he used to do when he lived with his troop, with his family members. He was missing cheerful grunts of his father and tag. He was missing all the things, even the safety of the nearby troop. Yvonne, and we can say students, Yvonne missed his family and his wild way of life as he used to live in the forest, and he tried not to be depressed like his twin sister, but that's why he was not thinking of it, but he was missing all the things. Remember what happened to Tag? I told myself, don't think about the jungle. Means after that he started to think what happened to Tag. Means he missed his home, but he consoled himself. Saying that Tag had lost her life. His sister Tag has lost her life because she kept on thinking of her home and couldn't adjust to the new surrounding. His sister was not able to adjust to his new surrounding. That's why she was lost her life, and he was he thinking all these things, and he consoled himself. But as I told you student, he wants miss his family and his wild way of life in the forest, and he tried not to be depressed. like his twin sister, for he did not want to become ill, and he knew that he was well taken care of, and he could not help missing the companionship with his own kind. And he has understood that, he realized, we can say, that that was the only way he could survive, and so he tried to forget his animal life and animal way of life, we can say, and try to adjust to his new way of living with human beings. Still sometimes I lay awake wishing for the warmth of another just like me. And he was saying that, means that Yvonne is saying that he was missing the warmth of another just like him. Why? Because at night, lying alone in pajamas, and I long for the cheerful grunts of a play fight and easy safety of my nearby troop. Remember what happened to Tag, all this thing and saying, and he was thinking all this thing was going in his mind, and he was saying that still sometimes he was thinking, he was consoling himself, but still sometimes he lay awake and wishing for the warmth of the another just like him. Students, what happened later? Yvonne is sent to a shopping mall where he becomes a part of a stationary circus for many years. Here he becomes used to humans watching him all the time, and he hardly ever thinks of the jungle. After people begin to protest about Yvonne's living conditions at the mall, he is adopted by a zoo. To know more about Yvonne and what happens to him, read the complete novel. But later what happened with Yvonne, students? He was sent to a shopping mall where he became a part of a stationary circus. Stationary means, students, not moving, not meant to be moving. Okay, he sent to a shopping malls, and there he became a part of a stationary circus for many years. And here he becomes used to humans watching him all the time, and he hardly ever thinks of the jungles. Now he hardly thinks of his past life, his family life, and the life which he spent in the jungle with his family. And after people begin to protest about Yvonne's living, and that's when was living conditions at the mall, so he was adopted by a zoo. Means after that he was sent to a zoo. And students, if we want what happened after that with Yvonne, then we have to study the whole novel. The name of the novel is The One and Only Yvonne. In this book in this book only this much story is given. If you want to know what happened after that, then we have to read the whole novel. Now this story is over, students. I hope you all have understood. Thank you.